you. Happy morning to everyone. Today weather report is cloudy by starting from 5th C. Weather report minimum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
I am going to inspiration by today thought that the best preparation for tomorrow is doing our best today. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Nasimbu, the student of grade 5. C is go to expand your vocabulary by need word. The need word disappear. Friends, repeat after me. D-I-S A-P-P-E-A-R. Thank you. Master, thank you.
I am going. Go I have not given. Come I have given. Make sentence with come. C-O-M-E come.
I am going to come faster.
Wrong sentence. I am coming to the hostel. Say.
I am coming to the hostel.
I am coming to the hostel.
I am coming to the hostel.
Where I come. Okay, where I am coming from. Like that you can.
Hands straight, hands straight, hands straight. The third number girls. First one, hands straight, 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 spine straight. If you are getting straight, please turn up in a good shape. Without bending your spine, bend your elbow. Just elbow. Only the elbow. Don't bend the spine. Don't bend one side, just elbow. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, first exercise for you. On my counting, spine straight. Spine straight, keep the spine straight. Okay, on counting, on number 1. Mokita. And straight, 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 palm with each other. Spine straight. Number 2. Up. Up. Straight. Standing and straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, exercise number 2. Demonstration for you. No cutting, no cutting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, both exercise.